Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to do TH blend sound words. TH says two sounds. TH says two sounds like one is hard and one is soft. TH makes two sounds, TH the and TH the. The hard sound of TH is the and the soft sound of TH is the. The, hard, the, soft, the. Let's read hard and soft words of TH. TH, the, e, k, think. When we write letter TH together, TH make two sounds. One is soft and one is hard. Hard sound makes the and soft sound makes the sound. All sounds are together here, like TH the, e, k, think. TH the, r, e, tree. TH the, m, b, thumb. TH the, a, k, thank. Now TH the, n, then. TH the, is, this. TH the, TH the, them. TH the, the, both. The, path. The, math. The, moth. The, weather. The, other. The, either. The, birthday. The, tooth. Pick, toothpick. Bath. Robe, bathrobe. The, soothe. Breath. The, teeth. When we write letter TH together, TH sounds the and the. The hard sound is the and the soft sound of TH is the. TH makes two sounds. One is hard and one is soft. hard sound is the and the soft sound is th. TH has two sounds, the and th. The is its hard sound and th is its soft sound. Think, three, thumb, thank, then, this, the, them. Now let's read some more TH words. Th, bath, th, depth, th, earth, the earth, brother, the feather, froth, the with, the father, tooth, teeth, month, thief, think, thick, thing, thorn, thumb, Thursday, thin, three, third, thirsty, thief, thumb, three, thin. So dear children, today we learnt th, th and th, the blend sound. When we write th together, th make two sounds. One is the and next is th, the, th. Bye bye children. Take care of yourself. Don't go out. Stay at home and be safe. Take care of yourself. See you again. Bye bye.